Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, completely wipe your HDD or SSD secure data erase guide 2026. Open command prompt. Select disk. Clean all. Initialize disk. Create new simple volume. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.